Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from the US. This is Hakubaku traditional noodle bar style ramen Tokyo pork flavor, or Tonkotsu pork flavor, excuse me. Tonkotsu is definitely a traditional style, one of the classic ramen varieties. Let's get cooking. This one's different. Okay, so that package comes with 2 servings. If you have these on hand, make sure you don't cook that. Oddly enough, it won't kill you. It'll go right through you, but these are the noodles. Notice how they're kind of fluffy. But so there's the noodles, and those cook for 2 to 2.5 minutes, depending on how soft you want them. I'm going to go with soft this time, so it's going to go 2.5 minutes. They also have a shoyu, and that one I think I did a little more al dente, I guess. And then you gotta make the base or the broth. So you take one of these sachets. Like I said, it comes with 2, and then you go. Dump her on in. Give her a stir. All right. Well, then in a minute and a half, we'll. Don't you even. It'll be done. Yeah. So I started to say something in the last episode, but basically, it's been so cold in the morning here that I can't go on my walk with my daughter. Yesterday, what we did instead was waited for my wife to get off work, and then we all went to the mall and walked around the mall a bit. And then we did some shopping after that, so that was cool. But it's like, again, this morning it was like 24 degrees. It's like, I can handle it, but not my kid. My daughter would just be like sitting in a seat. It doesn't matter how bundled up she is. She ain't moving. So 36 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah. Yeah, this is the 3rd one of the day. Just got a phone call from the school. Miles was running. Had a collision with some kind of object. Sounds like the ground, and bumped his head. Watch where you're going. That's what I tell him. Watch where you're going. He's 3. It happens. I don't really freak out about it, because it's like, how many times did I bonk my head and fall down? I mean, if it was like, I'm confident that if it were like a serious head bonk, like the possibility of concussion, oh yeah, they would have mentioned that. But pretty sure it's just like, oh, fell down, he's okay. Here comes the broth. Here's how it all looks before anything has been added to it. And I'm going to give this a taste. Noodles have been cooked for 2.5 minutes. Both times, I found those noodles to be quite good. Tonkotsu, very milky looking. Okay, that is very nice. Okie dokie. What are we putting on? Oh, some mung bean sprouts, you know. And got an egg here. Let go, egg. There we go. Now let's see if we can actually get this egg to behave today. That would be splendid. But no! Freaking God, man. I'm about to swear off soft-boiled eggs completely. I just have no luck. And I don't care, dude who spent years getting themselves through college by soft boiling and peeling soft boiled eggs, because I think that's pathetic and sad. I don't know, that just seems like the worst kind of life to have. What do you do? Oh, I peel eggs. That's great, bud. That's just great. Yeah, a guy get totally like lost his mind because I made fun of him for doing that. It's really not that hard. You can do like 20 an hour or something. I can't remember what he said, but I'm just like, that's okay, dude. I'm using these thingies. I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta make fun of people. And it doesn't always go the way you want it to. And it's okay. Black sesame. And finish her off with a little bit of habanero shichimi. A little bit. Maybe I can do something about that. No, I don't think I can. Well, what do you think? That's the last one. Let's rotate a little, because I remembered. This is tasty stuff. I really like it. Rotate, rotate, rotate. 20 more times. Yeah. Alright, well, that's the last one for today. So I will see you next time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.